What's up, guys? We're back, and today we've got something to install. I picked up a set of the Mopar Performance rock sliders, or rock rails, whatever you want to call them. I had them on my Wrangler, and I loved them, and it kind of helped to protect against rocks just flying up and hitting the hinges and stuff like that. So I found a set on Facebook Marketplace about an hour away, made the drive, picked them up, and today we're going to install them, so we're going to bring you along. Currently had the standard Rubicon and I believe Willys rock sliders, and today we're installing these guys. So gonna pop these off and I'll kind of hold them side by side so you can see. I've already undone the bolts, but I will walk you through that here in just a second. So once you undo the bolts, there's 2 bolts at each section here that are 10s, and then there is a 12 that goes in from the bottom. Once you undo the bolts, everything's just kind of hanging, so you just kind of slide it back and down. It kind of hangs automatically. But if you place them side by side, you can see the difference. You actually get a little bit of a ledge and a step with these. So 2 nuts on each one of these, and then there's a bolt that goes through the bottom all the way through there. So all of these are 10s, and this one is a 12. So installing is pretty much the same thing. You just pick it back up, carry it over, line everything up. And put it in. So then next step would be installing them again. As you can see, super quick. 10 deep well works pretty nice. And literally just run them in. And then a 12 going vertically. And that is literally it. It is actually a very quick process. The cool thing is it gives you a little bit of a step hopping into the Jeep. Not that mine is high enough yet that it needs it, but it definitely helps deflect some of the rocks from hitting the hinges and just the side of the Jeep. It's one of those kind of things that had I not had these rock stoppers on the hinges, probably would have a few more chips. Definitely got a few little impact marks from where the rock stoppers actually saved it. But overall, makes a huge difference, gives you a little bit of something to stand on if you need to, and I think they just look nicer. So thanks for joining us. I'm sure we'll have some more things. Rear seat delete is definitely the next couple things that I'm looking on doing here. So once we get those, we'll be installing them. But otherwise, if we get something in between, we'll definitely show you and some of the other adventures. So be sure to like and subscribe and join us along the adventure.